Hi everyone. Today I am going to discuss about features in Python. First of all, what is features? Features are nothing but services or facilities provided by the language developers and available in languages, and these are used by language programmers to develop real-time applications. In Python we have 11 features. First one, simple, freeware and open source, platform independent, dynamically typed, interpreted, both functional and object oriented, extensible, embedded, robust, and supports third party API module. First of all, simple. Um, Python program is simple because of three factors. First one, rich set of modules. Python programming consists of rich set of modules so that Python programmers can reuse the predefined code without writing their own source code. For example, calendar module or math module, etc. Second factor, garbage collector. Python programming consists of one inbuilt facility called garbage collector so that it collects the unused memory space and improves the performance of the Python based application. Then third one is user friendly syntax. Python programming consists of user friendly syntax so that programmer can write error free effective code within the limited span of time. And second feature is freeware and open source. Freeware is nothing but if any software is downloaded from their official website, then it is said to be freeware. And coming to the open source, in open source we can do modifications. Generally Python named as C Python. So some of the some of the companies come forward and modify, customized this C Python for their companies. So this type of customized C Python are called Python distributors. So some of the Python distributors are Jython or JPython, used for running Java based applications. IPython or IPython, used to run hash dot based applications, and Ruby Python, used to run Ruby based application, and Anaconda Python, used to develop Hadoop based applications, etc. And the third one is dynamically typed. We have two types of programming languages. First, static typed and dynamic typed. First, what is static typed? In static typed programming languages, we need to declare the variables for storing. In C++, we must declare the variables. Whereas in dynamically typed, based on the type of value we are assigning, automatically PVM assigned its data type implicitly, so we don't need to declare the variables for storing in dynamically typed programming language. Then platform independent. We have two types of programming languages, platform dependent and platform independent. In platform dependent, all the data types has different memory spaces in different operating systems, whereas in platform independent programming languages, all the data types have same memory space in different operating systems. Both Python and Java are said to be platform independent programming languages. In Java we have size restriction, whereas in Python we don't have any size restriction. It can store infinity number of values. Where coming to interpreted, Python is interpreted programming languages. Generally we can save the file by using .py extension. For running any Python based application or Python program, internally it can take two processes, compilation process and execution process. In compilation process, first the source code is given to the compilation. Then if it checks if any errors are not, if any errors are there in or not. If there is no errors, it can convert into intermediate code, that is bytecode with .py extension. If any errors occur, it can display on console. In execution process, the PVM can read line by line of bytecode, and it converts into machine understandable code, that is binary code. So these are read by OSR processors and gives the result. In both compilation process and execution process, interpretation can takes place line by line. So Python is said to be interpretation programming language. Then high level, we generally we have two types of languages. low level or high level. Low level programming language is nothing but we can represent the data in the form of low level, that is binary, octal, hexadecimal, which are not understandable to the end users. Whereas in high level programming language, even though programmers can specify the data in the form of low level such as binary, octal or hexadecimal, um, the PVM can convert into high level, that is decimal number systems, um, decimal number systems, uh, which are understandable to the end users. Then extensible program, Python is one of the extensible programming languages. Extensible is nothing but if and only if any programming language gives their programming facilities to another programming language, then it is said to be extensible. Coming to embedded, if any programming language is said to be embedded if and only if all this programming language can takes the programming facilities from another programming languages, then it is said to be embedded programming languages. Python is one of the embedded programming languages. It takes the programming facilities from C++ because it is a fast programming language. And robust is nothing but if any programming language consists of exception handling facility, then it is said to be robust programming language. First of all, what is exception? Exception is nothing but all runtime errors are called exceptions. Generally exceptions generate technical error messages which are understandable by the programmers but not end users. So in industry standards, we need to generate user-friendly error messages. Exception handling is nothing but converting technical error messages into user-friendly messages is called exception handling. Then supports third-party APIs. Python supports third-party APIs such as NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. These gives easiness to the Python program. In case of arithmetic, complex arithmetic manipulations, NumPy and uh, image processing, Matplotlib, etc. And that's it.